You're watching Theme Park Worldwide, where today I'm here at the Drayton Manor Resort in their new Vikings themed area for 2022. On board Loki, the UK's first and only Zamperla Nebula. Now these are really good fun rides because you've got 8 different gondolas that all move around and interact with each other. Yeah, we were loaded up first down the bottom, so of course we're then brought to the top whilst they're loading up the other 4, and then as soon as we're all good to go, the spin will begin. And I think that's right about now. Here we go. So you get some great views looking over Vikings and also the overall area of the park as well, which is great. Hey, really good. So obviously you're looking forwards and you see the other gondolas coming past and you can see them behind me there as well, which is great. Yeah, just the interaction between it all. And yeah, you've got the over-the-shoulder restraint just here and a seatbelt that clips into that. Hey! And you get some really funky air times. Obviously, starting off backwards for me this time. All depends on where you sit. It means it's very re-rideable, Loki, as well. So yeah, I'm getting some backwards pops of air time. And they're not too intense, these. The good family rides. There we go, slowing down a little bit now. But that isn't the end of the ride by all means. And there we go, get ready to go over forwards now. Here we go. Yeah, lovely in the sunshine today here at Drayton Manor as well. And they've done a really good job with the new themed area. Hey! It's good backwards, but it's much better forwards. I actually prefer it when you go backwards first, then whoa, then forwards now. Because it really builds up then, doesn't it? Hey! It's really nice floater air time. Not that ejector or anything, just floater as you're going over. And of course as well, you get the nice near-miss interaction with the other gondolas, which really makes it, and you can see that going on just behind me there as well. On board Loki. Whee! Great fun rides, and obviously visually, they look really good fun from off-ride as well, these, which are nice. Woo! It's a very pretty location as well, with all the landscaping, another ride. You got Thor around here, the Zamperla Disco, along with that Jormungandr, the roller coaster, and Schleppnir as well. But there we go. Thanks for watching Theme Park Worldwide and joining me for a nice rider cam POV here on the one and only Loki. That leaves me with one final thing to say. Get out there and keep on riding. See you in the next video.